Welcome to Stock Coney. Friends, before moving to today's big updates, please like and subscribe to the channel. It motivates us to bring important daily market updates for you every morning. Friends, while foreign investors continue to sell heavily, domestic investors are showing strong confidence in Indian markets. Along with this, we have major corporate actions from IPO debuts to billion-rupee investments. Let's dive straight into the details. FII and DII activity, Monday, the 29th of September, 2025. FIIs, foreign investors. Net sell worth, rupees 2,832 crore. DIIs, domestic investors. Net buy worth, rupees 3,846 crore. Overall, net inflow, positive at rupees 1,014 crore. Friends, this clearly shows, even though FIIs are booking profits, strong DII buying kept the markets supported. Buy ratings and analyst calls. Vishal Mega Mart, JM Financial gives a buy rating with target rupees 175. Indian Oil, ICCI Securities maintains buy, target revised to rupees 170. 197 Communications, Paytm, Ventura retains buy, expects 27.3% revenue compound annual growth rate for fiscal year 2026 to 2028. Mergers, demergers, and acquisitions. SKF gets NCLT approval to demerge industrial business into SKF India Industrial. Dollar Industries. Board approves merger of 9 promoter group companies. Lupin to acquire Amsterdam-based Visu Pharma BV for 190 million euros to boost European presence. Dixon Technologies to acquire 51% stake in Q-Tech India for rupees 553 crore. Reliance Power to divest 5 Indonesian coal entities to BioTruster, Singapore, for $12 million. IPO listings. Ganesh Consumer Products. Shares debut at rupees 296.1, down 8.1% versus IPO price, rupees 322. Atlanta Electricals. Strong debut at rupees 857, up 13.7% versus IPO price rupees 754. CapEx, investments, and expansion. E2E Networks approves rupees 1,000 crore QIP of equity shares and securities. Godrej Agrovet signs rupees 960 crore memorandum of understanding with MOFPI for manufacturing and research and development centers. Bharat Electronics, BEL, wins massive rupees 30,000 crore army missile tender as lead integrator. Power Grid Corp approves rupees 705.5 crore capex for VoIP and disaster readiness project. Eagle JV bags rupees 509.2 crore infra order from GMADA for Aerotropolis Mohali. PG Electroplast to invest rupees 1,000 crore in Andhra Pradesh for a new campus. Azad Engineering wins rupees 651 crore contract from Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. NTPC to invest rupees 2,444 crore in 3 hydro projects and 1 solar project. Thanks for watching today's update, friends. Stay connected for more market-moving news every morning.